Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the spark plug for the Honda Shadow 600. um, first first let's talk about um, the spark plug itself. Now when you get this when you bought this spark plug online, how you first we're going to talk how you're going to tell if it's real or not, because if you buy it online, there's a lot of fake um, spark plugs that sell online on eBay and Amazon. So here's a couple of things you can tell if it's a real spark plug or not. First, you check at the box itself, right? Make sure they have the part number, and also as you can see, usually on the box itself you see they have this the website of the NGK. Okay, and also if you check this triangle right here, the orange triangle, usually on the fake one, the top or the edge of the triangle is more rounded than the real one. So the real one, as you can see, the triangles, they have the sharp edge on the top. And you can also tell by the way that they make this how the way they make the box, how quality it is. Okay. Now also the next thing you want to check is the plug itself. Usually the real plug, they have this identifier code right here. Also the real plug, the label right here, the word is kind of like the print is kind of a little bit dim than the fake one. And also you can use your fingertip and touch the surrounding area. As you can see, it's very smooth, because how they made it with more quality. So you're not gonna get this sharp edge on the you're gonna get the sharp edge on the fake one. So this one is very smooth if you put your finger and trying to feel for it. So the last thing you want to check is the resistance between inside the spark plug. Usually it should be around between 3 to 10. So check all 4 of them and see if it's see, like this one is 5.65. I check all 4 of them. It should be consistent. All 4 of them should be the 4 I check is in the 5, 5.5 and 5, 6. So it's very consistent between all of them. So that should tell you it's real. If you have a fake one, then usually it's the numbers go all over the place. One can be 3, the other one can be 7, 10, 15. So that's how you tell if this is real or not. Now let's talk about why this is my old one. I took it out. As you can see, it's still good. But why is I switched to Iridium plug? Well, the reason is first, this thing is lasts 3 to 5 times longer than the normal one. and also this one is better at cold start, and also the spark is more consistent than the old one. So, and this is not, it didn't cost that much, so that's why I want to switch over. And I still gonna keep the old one as spare, but that's the reason why I switch over. Now replacing this is pretty simple. So I did 3 of them already, and I'm just gonna show you do 1 of them because pretty much it's all the same. So you have 4 plug, 1, 2, and then you got on the other side there's another 2. So you got right here 3, and then you got 1 down here, 4. So what you need to do is you need a 18 millimeter socket, or you can have one of this tool. So 18 millimeter socket, or you can use one of this tool if you have it. All you do is just unplug it, unplug, put this in, take it out, take it out, the old plug, put in a new one, let me just do hand first. Okay, so get it all the way in, and when you see it's all the way in already, all you need to do is turn. It's supposed to be torch at 15 pound, but I can do by feel. So all you do is turn another 1/4, and then you should be good, or maybe 1/2. And that's it. And the new plug come with this adapter right here, so you can take it out because we don't need to use the adapter. So if you have so that's it. All you do, plug this in, and that's it. Basically you're done. And now let's test it and see if it works. Turn on your key, put the fuel tank on, pull the choke, and after that turn off the kill switch and go start. go ahead and turn it off. So I'm just testing and see it work. So turn it off, and you should be good to go from now. So that's it for this video. I hope you learn a little bit about which spark plug is real and which is fake. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Alright, okay, bye.